All around us, everything in nature is interconnected. No matter the season or setting, there exists an invisible sensing and elegant communication that works in rhythm and harmony, seamlessly and fluidly. It's an inclusive force, one connected by a deep, underlying intelligence that's perceptive, essential, and powerful. That's what Ceva is about. Ceva's technologies are deeply embedded in many of the world's leading intelligent, connected devices, enabling smartphones to pair with earbuds, ensuring VR headsets sync with drones, and empowering autonomous cars to sense everything around them. And that device you're using right now, chances are we're in it. Our licensable technologies include smart sensing of sound, vision, and motion, as well as wireless communications between devices and over cellular networks, all so you can be aware and connected, just like in nature. It's Ceva's innovation that safely connects all these devices through ultra-low power processing platforms for mobile, consumer, automotive, IoT, and more. In our 30-year history, we've powered more than 15 billion devices, so device makers can benefit from silicon-proven technologies and design services that help their customers lead their lives seamlessly.